I
But
can
ate
give
most of
you.
They don't give you much.
I mean, I
cereal.
probably have some food. I probably have
I
some.
can give you some cereal.
I got some. I got MRE.
All right, but
Oh, here's a river.
Oh, why did I just drink this soda pop?
yeah, I need.
And I don't need to. And I don't need to sleep. God damn, soda pop OP.
It won't let me drink. Oh, never mind. We good. Drink, bitch.
I like how they put in the physics of if it's like flowing water, it doesn't affect you any.
Yeah, my water is back good.
My canteen is full now.
You want some?
Maybe if Cap would have fucking made a canteen.
Shut the fuck up. It's your fucking fault.
Problem. That's your fault.
You
Not
want to
mine.
make a fucking sled.
Quit blaming shit on me, bitch.
It literally was your
Looks
fault.
bad on you.
What do you look bad on me, bitch? It's your fault.
I think we should
Then you
make a
literally said
campfire
earlier.
later.
Talking about, yeah, I kind of fucked you. Like, yeah, bitch, you did.
It's your fault. I told you to make it.
How was I gonna make one? You was making shit.
I told you to make it a million times, and you just kept running.
And every time I went up there, first you took all the resin. I ran off to go get resin, bitch, because I didn't know how to use it. And then I came back. I got my 100 resin, and then I put that shit in there, and you used it to make a
Look
goddamn
at that
sled.
rabbit. You see a rabbit with a big ass head?
Oh, bro, what the fuck?
What?
I'm going for that rabbit.
Oh.
Why did they add this into the game?
What, the big head?
Oh, no, it's a dickhead chasing me.
You haven't made the cannibals big. I don't know, you can probably fuck them up. Come on now. I see two of them.
Well, I got the rabbit. Damn, all my meat spoiled.
Have you guys seen the female one yet?
Yeah,
Yes.
we seen her.
The bitch with 4 legs.
Yeah, what do? Do you just like stand still and she approaches you? Or
I don't know.
Nah,
she keeps
I don't
chasing
know.
me around
She
the
was just
fucking
walking
map.
around us.
no,
Yeah,
you
she was
just
walking around.
stand still and like she'll approach you.
Oh, he want the fucking whoop her ass.
Yeah, I started beating her ass earlier.
Oh. Well, I mean, she like tells you to do something or something. I'm not sure.
Clear 5
See?
meters.
That's why I told you not to hit her, you dumb bitch.
It says clear. Why not? Why don't we hit her?
I don't fucking know.
Oh, I can have him build a fire. Oh,
Yeah,
big head son of a bitch.
it's a lot of them.
He built a fire for us now. Oh
Ow.
fuck, dude, he hit me. The fuck? Fucking 4 of these motherfuckers. Well, Kelvin's supposed to be building us a fire, so. Bitch.
I'm gonna see if I can hit one in the head.
Oh
Too
fuck!
much. Then he tried to hit Kelvin.
Cab,
What the
help
fuck?
me! Brother. I
Down
got
again.
what the fuck? What part of Alaska you live in?
I just gave you my energy drink. Can I get the back? Anchorage.
Oh, I'm in Anchorage.
Cool.
Boom!
Yes, sir. I'm gonna make.
I
this
got him in
meat.
the head.
Oh my god, homie.
Oh, fuck.
Why'd I eat a raw rabbit? What the fuck sense does that make? This game is just fuck off, dude.
Is this bitch dead? Oh no, this bitch ain't dead.
You just eat raw fucking meat now? Get out of the inventory! God damn!
Oh, watch out for this dude.
Yeah, will you get me up?
Oh yeah, sure.
I hit him in the throat. Bitch! Fight back, pussy. Oh, I get to take his shit.
Hey, the body caught on
Skin
fire.
pouch.
I don't want to get all these.
Find you.
Ah!
No!
Hey, I kind of want to go get a bev, but I don't want.
No, I gotta get y'all. I gotta get somebody up. I got somebody up.
Alright, help me
Kelvin
out.
just sitting there fucking watching.
I'm down.
Help me, help me, help me.
Where you at? Oh, no.
I'm by the fire.
Let me get my fucking weapon. Hey,
Did
get back
Kelvin get
here.
him up?
Kelvin can't do that, I don't think.
What the fuck? You can take their chest now? What the fuck?
Hey, why are you taking all my bones, homie?
Alright, we cleared them out. We cleared them out.
I'm joking.
And there was one more in the tree.
I hate how they do this now. I'm putting fish on the fire. You guys need food too? Or is it just
I'm
me?
about to cook one of these motherfuckers.
We're building.
Well, there's another fish on the fire just in case one of y'all is hungry. Why am I watching him eat this shit? Alright, somebody come eat this other fish so it didn't cook it for next time. Cap,
You make
Oh,
a
look at me.
reinforced
Look at me
fire?
going. I'm going. I'm going.
where the fuck are you going? Why are you just sliding down the mountain? Cap, come eat
Oh
this
no.
fish.
I can't stop. I can't stop. Uh-oh.
He's about to slide into the ocean.
No, that is on God.
What did you do?
You
I
did the
jumped
little
and pressed
glitch thing.
You what?
Dude, I need to get out of it. I mean, I'm stuck.
Calvin, no one's told you to stop working.
You told him to clear a 5-meter area, right?
I haven't built a shelter. Build shelter, dickhead.
Does he even have a... I can't give him an axe, so I don't know how he gonna build a
He
shelter.
might have his own. God damn. That's what they need to fix right there, is this bullshit.
It's probably because I'm in Florida.
We never had this problem before. in another game.
me out, not y'all.
Only in Florida.
What the fuck did he just make? And why he build it on top of the fire?
He gotta get a stick. I don't know why he fucking built it on fire. Alright, he coming with a stick. Why you carry that shit like it's heavy or something?
See a little bitch.
Oh no, man. Kelvin building that shit. Kelvin building that
Yeah.
shit. Can you make
No.
him build anything?
Yeah. pretty much.
I don't think so. I think there's only certain shit. I think it was only like a shelter.
I'm gonna save real quick.
It says clear 5 meters. Let's
Hey,
look at
yo, he built this shit on the fire, bruh.
And that's what I said. He built that shit on the fire.
that. He's gonna die.
Yo, he got a.
He said no. Tell me no, bitch.
Yo.
Fucking
What
no.
the fuck?
But
He deaf.
Fucking thank you.
but what are we building? What are we building?
Oh, we're trying to get Kelvin to build some shit. I don't know what he doing.
I mean, I can build like something like.
Clear shelter, but he can only build a fire and clear and make a shelter. Okay, take a break. Clear. When I say clear, I mean fucking clear, bitch. Clear. See it on the fucking notepad? Do it. I'm gonna smack you in the face if you say no.
The 5-meter area is already clear, bro.
Dumbass.
Yeah, no, for real, we just need to
Dumbass.
get some logs.
Oh, watch out. Let me deal with Kelvin.
Yeah,
Let
he
me
can
deal with
get
Kelvin.
you up
He
so
don't, he
you
don't
can
like
whip your
you.
ass again.
He don't like
Dumbass.
you.
Ass nigga. Oh fuck! Fucking bastard! Behind you, cat.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, fuck, you got
Goddamn
both of us
pussy,
down.
bitch.
I told you behind you. I don't know what the fuck he was doing.
I was talking to fucking Kelvin.
Fuck Kelvin. Fucker's worthless anyway. Don't do a goddamn
You
lick
don't know
of
how
what
to
you
use
say.
Kelvin.
Down two. Gotta res all your asses.
Alright, I'm gonna run.
I'm gonna beat his fucking ass again.
I'm chopping
Where's
this
that
tree.
bastard?
Hey,
Don't
don't
even
kill
want-
him. You can actually kill him. Stop.
Where'd all the shit in my inventory go?
I stole it.
Why the fuck is my fucking PC bugging out? Fuck!
Hey, watch out.
Fuck.
God damn. What the fuck
Watch
am I
out.
getting hit by? There's a fucking another dick face.
Oh my
How hard
fucking
is this
god.
fucking tree, bro?
Get
Hopefully we can find
Logs.
a fucking chainsaw.
and
You can
How
actually
hard is this?
you can actually kill him?
bro?
You can't just keep resing him?
D.
Get
Alright,
away
Kelvin
from
going
me,
to go get
dumb little
logs.
bastard.
Kelvin is going to go get logs, and he
Fuck.
bringing them back.
Go do it, I'm gonna whoop your fucking ass. Go.
Don't hit him again, bitch.
Cracker
I need
boy.
him alive.
Go. He
Hey,
just
you
said
guys
no
want
to me,
some-
bro.
Oh, he need an axe, I think. Wait, what do you? Did you tell him to go do something?
No,
No, but
I
you
didn't do
guys
anything
want
to him.
Okay.
something pretty cool.
All right,
think
but
you gotta
he
knock
should
the
be going to go
log
get a
down.
log.
Yeah, you gotta knock the logs down for him.
Hey, boys, you guys see this shit? You guys see this shit? Look at this shit.
What, throwing logs?
Yeah, bro, that log
Look at
looked
this.
tiny compared to his head.
What the fuck?
Alright, boys, what are we building?
How did... Dude, this does... Dude, you definitely a mother.
No, this is just a little exploit.
What the fuck do you do here?
Hey, what are you doing? You're messing it up.
Wait, what you doing?
I'm getting some logs. Just you can
You
do it
building
too.
something?
No, I'm not building anything. This is just the log duper 9000. Look,
What?
come over here. Come over here. Come over to this opening. Look up, like, till you see a circle on the bottom, and then place it down.
Oh, until you see a circle on the bottom? Oh, shit.
It's probably gonna get patched next update. So, I mean,
Well, we got 12 days, so...
yeah, no, you can build up your base before then. So,
Better get out of here, you little bastard morons.
so here,
You ain't fucking sneaky.
I'll
Bro,
get some logs.
they literally cover themselves in leaves. Cap. This bitch cover
I'm
herself
gonna
in
throw this
leaves.
fucking log at him.
Oh yeah, I forgot you could do that. Little bastard.
So,
hit him with a
yeah,
rock.
you can just build a house like this.
Bro, there's a lot of these motherfuckers over here. Get fucking lost.
We don't need to build here.
Well, once we build a fence, we'll be alright.
Yeah, no, you can build a fence. Yeah, they can't get that shit.
Like,
Look what else you guys. Look, you can do this. Chop the log in half. And get planks. Oh, I'm dead. Bruh.
God damn it.
Alright, you guys gotta keep me alive until I'm back. I'm gonna go get a beverage. It'll take me like 3 seconds.
Yeah, well, there are like 10 of these little dirty cocksuckers around. We're building the wall first. Fuck this shit.
I was just about to say that. We was building a wall, bro.
Can you even build a fucking defense wall? Shelter. Tree shelter. Furniture. Storage. Utility.
If you don't do nothing, oh, he trying to knock him out again.
He fucking killed me! Fuck!
Oh, I gotta survive.
These bastards are annoying as fuck. I don't think we can build a defense wall yet.
Fast.
All the logs are rolling down the hill too. Two more coming up. I'm about to start shooting these bastards in the fucking head. Look at that deer, bro. Look how big that fucking deer's head is. Yeah, I'm not seeing the fence wall on there. I think we have to get a blueprint for it, honestly. That's what it's looking like. Yeah, we might have to get a blueprint for that. It's not showing the fence wall on here.
Oh, I think we gotta. Hold on. Fuck me.
Oh, I'm gonna need res.
Me too. I'm about to. I'm getting you up, and I'm about to run.
Get the fuck off me, you dumbass little bastard. I want to pull out the fucking the bow and shoot his ass.
Why these dickheads chasing me?
Good, draw him away from here.
If you hold your right mouse button, you can like 4 tap them.
We have arms drying on the rack for food, so. How the fuck did you just turn around and fucking smack the dog shit out of me as I'm running up to your goofy fucking ass? Why are you chasing me, bro?
I can't hit him on the tree.
Kelvin, do something with your worthless fucking life. Oh, they're attacking Kelvin out there. No, they got Kelvin down. Go, Kelvin.
Fucking.
Dude, there's too many of these motherfuckers out here, dude. They're like little goddamn cock monkeys, too. Where's Kelvin running to? Kelvin is running away.
Fuck me.
Why is Kelvin running away?
Yo, all the logs are rolling away.
Yeah, I know. We're trying to figure out how to build a fucking defense wall, but it won't let us.
Well, I mean, how you build a fence wall is you go like this.
Yeah, I don't think there's a blueprint for it. I think we just start placing logs.
No, you go like this. Check it, check it, check it.
Find you.
Fuck me. I'm dead. Please,
I killed
don't.
one of them.
Please don't.
You're up. Find you again.
Oh, yeah,
Ow.
these. Oh no, no.
There you go.
Wait for me, you dumbass.
Ow!
You got attacked by like 3 of them motherfuckers. Where the fuck did Kelvin go, dude? He just ran away.
No, he's right over there.
Following you again. Shit, what did we have to do to build a fucking fence?
Try this. Maybe this.
Didn't do shit except for make fucking tinier logs.
Yo, chill.
What?
What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say?
Saying your fucking method didn't work. Behind you.
Bro, I ain't got time for that.
Good.
Man, treehouse. Pretty dope. You guys fuck with the treehouse?
Yeah.
Oh, actually? I bet.
Fuck! Little fucking bastard.
Check me out, check me out.
How the fuck do you build a goddamn defense wall?
Alright, check me out, check me out. Hey, nah, we don't need no defense wall if we got this bitch.
I think
Yeah,
they
you
can
say
climb
that
up
till
that.
You say that till they fucking start throwing rocks at us.
Hey, we're gonna have walls up. Big walls.
Kelvin's just gone.
Back the fuck up, bitch. Back the fuck up. Back your bitch ass up.
Yo, can you guys start placing these logs in there?
What?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do, and then I got ran up on. You just throw the log in the tree.
Yep. And you'll craft them. Like, you'll craft them into half logs.
Oh fuck, I got hit. Ow, it fell
What
on
the
me.
fuck? It all fell.
What? How'd it break?
What the fuck?
What? Why'd it break?
I have no
Really?
clue.
I have
Or,
no
like,
idea, bro.
Why would it do that? Hey, one of you guys definitely broke it.
How do you break it? How do you
Think it was
break it?
Cap for sure.
Ow! How you gonna blame me, bitch?
Cause you were the only one near it. I was getting
No,
my
I
ass
wasn't.
whooped.
You were under it.
We should probably
Okay,
sleep
well,
tonight.
it's
boy.
okay, so, just rebuild.
Oh, I think because we didn't put the rope up.
Bro, what? No. You just probably held X.
This bitch better not follow me again. I swear to God.
Why can't I build? Hello?
It won't let me place my log.
What? Same. Oh, there we go. Oh, you gotta be just closer, I think. What?
Let me face logs.
Place them, place them.
Oh, dipshit's bringing us logs.
Oh, Kelvin went to go collect logs.
You really did, though.
You've been gone for a minute too.
Why, how can you place stuff? I can't place nothing,
Oh,
bro.
you're probably placing, you probably have the smaller logs on,
Oh, I'm tripping.
to be honest. That's probably what's happening.
Ow, what the fuck hit me?
Probably a log.
Oh, the lady back. Old girl back.
Oh, wait, hey, don't move, don't move.
Oh, let me stand still. She ran away.
Yeah,
Fucking.
Nah, she'll come back, she'll come back. Alright. Yo, let me get one of the logs.
We need the big logs.
I need a full log.
Yeah, I need the big ones.
Oh, wait, there's one right here.
Kelvin, bring them goddamn logs over here, bro.
Not chill.
Oh, he brought all the logs over here. That's why.
I am the log maker.
He goes where you tell him. Like,
Yeah, I forgot I told him to put the logs over there. Oh, I forgot you over here duplicating logs and shit.
You guys gonna fuck with this?
This is kind of cheating. We're trying to make this like authentic.
This is authentic.
Authentically fucking cheating. We're duplicating materials.
Hey, no. We're just making them flat.
It's done. It's done.
Oh, let's go.
Oh fuck! Who's hitting?
Oh
me?
shit! My
bad.
bad. I threw the log.
I threw a log at
Dumbass
you too.
bitch.
We both threw a log at
Fuck you, Cap.
Hey, let's go.
All right, let's make a bed
board.
so we can fucking sleep.
How do I get logs up here? Is there even a way to get logs up here?
I don't think so. Standing water planter, or planter.
Bro, we ain't got no roof.
Oh my god.
Hold on.
Well, how are you gonna make a roof?
Hold on. There's a.
Fly swatter trap. Bone maker trap. Oh, you have that, but not a fucking defense wall. Okay, makes fucking sense.
What the fuck is this sticking through my? Oh my god. I have a axe in my fucking book. I can't read my book. There's an axe in it.
What do you mean?
The axe is sticking through the left side of my book.
Oh, damn, you have log storage in this one now?
You've had log storage in the last one too.
Your fucking mouth. Stick path. Fuck, we need a stick path for it.
Make it look fancy.
Oh, you can make a fish trap too. Hell yeah.
Yeah, look at all those bitches down there. What are they gonna do?
I think we built the wrong treehouse.
Uh-huh.
I did this one just so it would be open. Because the other one's really kind of spacious. Not spacious.
We want it spacious.
This is as spacious as it gets.
You sure? There's one with 96 logs.
Yeah, well this one's like... Oh, that one? God
Yeah.
damn.
Yeah, that one.
God damn, boy. Alright, let's sleep.
Why can't we make a fucking wall?
Here, hey, chill. No one jump down. Come here. Let me just pull this bad boy out. Oh, I do not have my tarp. I'm just gonna go boot bang that guy.
I'm putting a bed down up here right quick.
Yeah, I want to sleep, so.
We need to make a bed though.
I know.
Make bone furniture. A wall torch.
That bitch climbed a tree over there. Thought you said she couldn't get to us. She's jumping trees to get to us.
Everyone come to me. Everyone come to me.
Hold on, I'm putting a bed down.
We can go sleep at the tent. You know that, right? The shelter Dickweed made.
Yeah, everyone come to me.
What the fuck? Why'd the shelter fall?
Dude, do you
Probably
not
because I threw a log at it.
it is? Do you not see what this piece of shit is?
Let's sleep, boys.
Two sticks and a fucking tarp. Well, how'd this shit fall?
And the wind blew that shit down. Bro, we getting hit.
No.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Everybody, go to sleep.
I'm going to sleep.
Go to. Oh no! They got me.
Uh-oh. Okay, I res you.
I got you.
Go to bed.
All right, everybody, go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Okay, where's the third one? Oh, my shit just froze.
Go to sleep.
Shit froze.
No.
No, it's because you were getting hit and it froze, and you might have downed while it froze. I'm not sure.
No, I wasn't getting hit. There we
Yeah,
go.
you were.
They're still here.
Oh! Oh! Res me. I need
Oh,
to create-
they killed Kevin.
That was
Oh,
me.
Kelvin. They killed Kelvin.
Yeah, no, I really want to call him like Clevin or Kelvin or Kevin.
I'm about to get back
Like
on our treehouse. Fuck this
Oh,
shit.
raw
Yeah,
leg.
nah.
Put that shit back.
Alright, here. Everyone get to work on building this.
We need to try to figure out how to build a defense wall first so that we can make an actual base.
Is that not an actual base?
A fucking treehouse.
Yo, come on now. Look at this one, bro. Look at the fucking size of this one, bro.
The big one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
look at this one.